So this is your ocean view from your wraparound Lanai. Just gorgeous. This is what I call knock your socks off ocean view. And you're right on top of the beach. It's one of the best locations at Kaanapali Shores, without a doubt. Aloha everybody. Today we're going to take a look at another vacation rental condo in West Maui. This is Kaanapali Shores. If you don't already know me, my name's Jesse Wald. I'm a real estate broker here on the beautiful island of Maui. And in this video, we're gonna start with a brief summary of the resort, Kaanapali Shores. We're gonna do a video walkthrough of one of the best locations, one of the best units within the community. And if you stick around towards the end of the video, I'm also gonna share what you can expect as far as rental income for a similar unit. Let's jump right into the details. So Kaanapali Shores is comprised of 406 total units, spread over 10.1 acres, with a breakdown of 50 studio units, 250 one-bedroom units, and 96 two-bedroom units. The amenities of this oceanfront resort include 2 separate pool and spa areas, tennis courts, barbecue areas, and an on-site restaurant. The front desk and lobby area are warm and welcoming, and the landscaping is lush, tropical, and well-maintained. So I just got done showing this gorgeous Aloha suite at Kaanapali Shores. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit, 1,500 square foot, and every bedroom, kitchen, living room, every single room has a gorgeous ocean view. So I'm gonna come back to the bedrooms and show you the layout in a little bit here, but first things first, let's head to the Lanai and take a look at the ocean view. So the interior square foot of this one is 1,500 square foot, just over. But the wraparound Lanai itself is an additional 500 square foot. So truly your usable space here is just over 2,000 square foot. And as you can see, the views are just incredible. You can't get much closer to the ocean. Really special property to have these kind of ocean views. Be right on top of the sandy beach. Seventh floor, so you're a high enough view plane to really take advantage of all these blue ocean views. And probably just one of the best locations within Kaanapali Shores. Okay, so let's come back to the interior. Now this property is all about the location within the complex and those ocean views. It's fully turnkey, everything is included. I think, with some minor upgrades to, probably the furnishings and some decor, you could really make this property special. Granite countertops in the kitchen. Ocean views as you wash your dishes. I love that. Make sure you see it. There is a dishwasher installed. You know, I think a property like this does deserve maybe some upgrades, but you can do that so affordable in comparison to the purchase price of these properties. Okay, so here is, I guess, what I would call the primary bedroom. Look at this. From your bed, ocean views. Ocean views for days. I have the doors open. Hopefully the audio is picking it up. You can just hear the waves crashing right now. It's nice to hear the sound of the ocean. And during whale season, of course, you're going to see just a ton of whales jumping from this location. This is the area where we call whale soup. Okay, back to the inside. Let's go take a look at the bathroom. So hallway with closets on both sides here. This is the entrance. Go take a look at the second bedroom. And again, just endless ocean views from this bedroom as well. Looking down the coastline. Gorgeous. This will be your view from bed. Second bathroom. Everything looks clean and well maintained. And this is where you're going to find your washer and dryer. Owner's closet right in front of me here. Of course, this door slides open, as does this, so you can really open the space up. Invite that Maui weather in if you like, or close it up. It does stay nice and cool in here with AC when everything is closed. But it's just hard to walk away from these ocean views. Gorgeous. I'm gonna watch the boats cruise on by. Let's talk a little bit about what you can expect for rental income for a unit similar to the one we just saw. This is a rental income study spreadsheet for Kaanapali Shores 2 bedrooms. We look at 3 comparable units to determine what the rental rates are depending on the season. For a premium unit like this one, I would use the highest available comp. And as you can see, with 85% occupancy, the total rental revenue for 1 full year would be right around $185,000. Feel free to contact me directly for more information on rental income versus expenses for properties like this and other Maui real estate. I also recently did a video that goes into more detail on how we calculate rental income versus expenses for Maui's vacation rental properties. So that's it for this real estate tour. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more similar videos just like this one and other helpful real estate content. And of course, if you're in the market to buy or sell real estate here on the beautiful island of Maui, I'd love to be your guide throughout the process. That's it for now. We'll see you on the next one. Aloha.